my dear friends, and welcome back to the second half of our great Far Eastern adventure in the amazing country of Thailand. Our adventure that started out in the serene beaches of Koh Samui and went on to the bustling streets of Bangkok has been so incredible. They say that it is only in adventure that people succeed in knowing themselves, in finding themselves. और ये हमारा adventure आज आपको Bangkok का एक अलग ही रूप दिखाएगा. Glinting skyscrapers, rich cultural heritage, powerful personalities and the rocking nightlife of Bangkok is what we are heading to experience. So come with me and let's uncover the gloss and the glamour of Bangkok in our trademark style, exclusively and only on High Life Dubai. Bangkok never fails to impress. The attractions of the past and present blend harmoniously together to amaze the internationally traveled tourist of today. Bangkok provides an opportunity to explore, experience and discover the range of unending hidden secrets that abound in this fantastic city. And I'm only too excited to do so. As you would expect of us, we are at one of the city's most stylish hotels. In fact, it's the only 5-star all-suite hotel. This is Tower Club at Leh Bua. Tower Club at Leh Bua is an all-suite luxury hotel located at the riverside. Is the second tallest tower in Bangkok. All the suites offer enchanting views of the city and Chao Phraya River from their spacious balconies, a unique feature for a Bangkok luxury hotel. The perfect blend of luxury, convenience, technology and stunning views elevate every suite of Tower Club at Leh Bua to an indulgence for your senses. With an undying passion to innovate and redefine hospitality at a luxury retreat, Leh Bua is more than a destination. It's a world-class experience. The suites feature Bulgari amenities, 330 thread count linen, and in-suite cooking option by its Condé Nast accredited chefs, all of which add up to a truly memorable stay. By the way, I am on the 57th floor in Leh Bua Tower Club and this is such an amazing room. I want to take you all around this room. Come with me. In Leh Bua Tower Clubs, they have only 1, 2 or 3 bedroom suites and I am in 3-bedroom suite right now. As you can see, the living room is huge. Very nicely done up, a little chandelier, very, very classy and chic. Let me take you to the bedroom now. This is my master bedroom and as you can see, it's big and very minimalistic, very, very user-friendly. And the best thing about this master bedroom is the view from here. We can see the entire skyline of Bangkok. How amazing is this? Come, I'll show you. And another best thing about this room, let me show you. Guess what? I have a full walk-in wardrobe right here. The bathroom is again very contemporary and very chic. The best thing about the bathrooms are the products, the Bulgari products. Lebua Tower Club is actually perfect for people who would like to come to Bangkok and stay for more than say a week, 10 days or even 15 days, because they have a fully equipped kitchen here. You can cook, you can just do anything that you want to do. You can, invite guests and have a small party in this suite. Everything is there in this suite. It's amazing, and I plan to stay here for more than, let me think. We also have a small office space here in case you want to sit and work. As I said, we have 3 bedrooms. This is the second bedroom, and we have a TV here. Internet is free in Lebua Tower Club, as well as all the paid movies are free. And we have the same view that we get from the master bedroom. So all the bedrooms have got amazing views. The exotic interiors of this hotel are the epitome of supreme luxury, something that we all love to see and experience. The warm colors and modern style decor infuse relief from the hot glare of the city. The lobby is a place where the elite of the city gather for a soothing cup of tea and snacks and enjoy life at their own pace. जब भी मैं हॉलीडे में जाती हूँ, I make sure I take some time out for a nice relaxed swim. और मैंने सुना है कि यहाँ का स्विमिंग पूल बैंकॉक के सबसे खूबसूरत पूल में से एक है. The large outdoor 50-meter swimming pool and children's pool are tucked away in a private corner of the mezzanine level of the hotel. On the same floor, there's also a fully equipped fitness center with sauna, steam rooms and spa tub to complete the overall experience. Lebua indeed provides the ultimate in luxury accommodation to its guests, and it's truly a wonderful experience staying here.